Build your biceps, workout fast. 6 best exercises. Want bigger, stronger biceps that pop? You're in the right place. With these 6 best exercises, you'll sculpt your arms fast and see results in no time. No fluff, just gains. Let's dive into this biceps blasting workout with the fitness idea. The 6 best biceps exercises. Barbell curl. The king of biceps builders. Grip the bar, curl it up, and squeeze those muscles for max growth. Dumbbell hammer curl. Hit your biceps and forearms with this grip twisting move, perfect for size and strength. Easy bar preacher curl. Lock in your form and isolate your biceps for a serious pump. Feel every rep. Incline dumbbell curl. Stretch your biceps fully on an incline bench. This one's a game changer for definition. Chin-ups, underhand grip. Bodyweight beast mode. Pull yourself up to torch your biceps and build upper body power. Concentration curl. Sit, focus, and curl. Target every biceps fiber for that chiseled peak look. How to crush this workout. Reps and sets. Aim for 8 to 12 reps, 3 to 4 sets per exercise. 60-90 seconds in between sets to keep the intensity high. Form first. Slow, controlled reps beat sloppy swings every time. Frequency. Train biceps 1-2 times a week with at least 48 hours rest between sessions. Pro tips for faster gains. Eat for growth. Load up on protein. Think chicken, eggs, or shakes to fuel muscle repair. Progressive overload. Gradually increase weights to keep challenging your biceps. Mix it up. Swap grips, wide, narrow, or tempos to shock your muscles. Ready to build those biceps and flex with confidence? Try these 6 exercises today and watch your arms grow. Subscribe to The Fitness Idea for more workouts, tips, and fitness hacks to level up your game. Let's curl it.